the beneficiary of a nut and bolt rotisserie restoration that included a modern 6.1-liter Hemi, a complete XV suspension, and a modified leather interior, this 1970 Challenger is an exceptionally well-done piece that'll more than hold its own against any pampered show queen. This cool E-body's complete rotisserie restoration began when its solid convertible body was meticulously stripped, carefully massaged, and thoroughly sanded into a smooth, consistent canvas. Once that canvas was prepped, a bright coat of viper red urethane was expertly sealed in a thick clear coat shell, and when that clear coat cured, it was decked in black war paint and buffed to a thoroughly substantial presence. Open the straight doors and sit down inside a cockpit where the timeless good looks of American muscle meld seamlessly with tasteful upgrades and modern conveniences. Fresh black carpet anchors a modern stereo and a TKO Pistol Grip Shifter inside a custom console. A modified dash hangs a full assortment of XV gauges above controls for air conditioning, and an old-school Tuff Wheel spins around a modern tilt steering column. Raise the wide red hood and you'll find a killer 6.1-liter MoPar crate engine, good for roughly 425 horsepower. That Hemi sends power to a Tremec TKO 600 5-speed and spins 355 gears. If you're in the market for some stunning Detroit metal that has the bare-knuckle muscle to back up its killer good looks, this Challenger is for you. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.